Wow. Hi, my name is Sneaky Sally. And today I found a card. Okay, it says, Dear Sneaky Sally, thank you for the candy that you gave me. It is actually one of my favorite kinds. I enjoy having you in my class this year. You are a bright and funny boy. Whoa. Hold it there. This thing is for my teacher, and I'm funny. Oh my God! I never heard my teacher say that in like a million years, because I'm not a million years old. Have a Merry Christmas. Whoa! Oh my gosh, I'm going to show you this card right now. Woohoo! I'm funny. Oh, wow. I even got another card. Just kidding. It's the list. I left this. Goodbye.